Hey, man, look at that Ripper 2 going down thick, boy. Whew. Go ahead and whip out that Mossmatic surface cleaner. We are going to knock this thing out lickety-split. And I'm going to bring y'all along so I can teach you a few things to look out for in case you're ever in a situation like this. You can be vigilant and minimize any sort of risk of liability. So when we're doing storefronts like this and we're working during normal operating hours, I like to work in small sections so clients, customers, and employees have a clean space to walk on. The last thing we need is to have any of these customers or employees bringing this chemical into the store. So we work in small spots, try to be where the customers are not, and cross our fingers and hope for the best. Now, this wasn't a full-scale service. This was just an emergency dispatch for a wash friend up north. He couldn't find anybody else in Indiana that was interested in taking this job. And this job literally only took me like 25, 30 minutes. And if you know anything about me or this channel, you know we do not leave a wash brother in need. And speaking of needs, this is one thing you need to know. When you're cutting in and you're edging around concrete, you want to be sure to avoid this lava rock, because this lava rock can and will shoot up out of this landscaping like a rocket and crack a window. But we're not here to crack any windows. We might crack a couple jokes, but no windows. I'm going to go ahead and do a good rinse. Some people don't rinse, some people do. Some people are more interested in getting in and out with the money as fast as they can. I'm more interested in making my people happy, because without the right people, you'll never have the right money.